You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this coffee beverage, traditional from Mexico. By the way, if you want to learn more coffee names or more Mexican food names, cultural vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. Café de olla. That's your Spanish pronunciation or Mexican. Café with a stress on the E syllable. That's why you have an accent on it. Café de olla. Olla. Some may say it as olla as well, but, depending on the area. But generally, Spanish pronunciation, Café de olla. Café de olla. Or English pronunciation, Café de olla. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.